Now we will talk about the animal biotechnology and the ethical issues related to this field. Now, what are the reasons that we use animals in the field of genetic engineering or in the field of genetic modification? The reason is that we can easily isolate, we can easily identify and even easily characterize the genes in order to study their structure and function in detail. Then animals are also used as research models to treat various human diseases, and animals can also be used for xenotransplantation. As I've told you that organs and the tissues can be transmitted or transplanted from one species to another. So animals can produce milk with therapeutic proteins or with improved nutritional values, and we can, even through animal biotechnology, we can improve the animal livestock improvement programs. So why we prefer animals, not the plants or the microorganisms in the field of biotechnology? The reason is that animals have more biochemical process which is similar to the human beings, and through animals we can get a large product or the genetically engineered product. Through plants and microorganisms we can get only a small amount of genetically engineered products. There is a technique known as nuclear transfer, in which the whole nuclei and the gene that carry are transferred from one species to from one organism to another, and this technique was performed on a sheep named Dolly. But the Dolly has suffered from many medical problems like respiratory distress. But on the other hand, this technique is very useful in providing cells as a source of replacement grafting and even in genetic conservation. When we talk about the genetic conservation, we can talk about the cryopreservation of gametes and of the oocyst. We can talk about the preservation of skin biopsies, even of hair follicles in liquid nitrogen. Now, whenever we talk about the animal ethics, we can't ignore the moral values. Moral values tell us that what is right and what is wrong, while ethical values tells us that the reasons and the judgment that why we have taken the wrong or the right decision. Then the term related to animal biotechnology is the sentiency, which is the capacity to explore pain and pleasure. It is the capacity to experience satisfaction and dissatisfaction, or it's a capacity to experience comfort and the discomfort. Then the third term, which is related to the animal biotechnology or related to the animal ethics, is speciesism. That we agree, as a scientist, we agree that the animal will suffer from pain, but it is ethically significant. So this refusal is giving more consideration to human beings than the animals. That's why speciesism is confined to the statement that this is the differentiation among the species, or this is only about the human beings' concern. So here Peter was a philosopher who used और gave an idea of animal rights. उसने कहा कि चाहे एनिमल्स हम ट्रांसपोर्टेशन के लिए यूज़ करें, चाहे फैशन के लिए, चाहे डिफरेंट पर्पसेस के लिए, कंपटीशन के लिए, स्पोर्ट्स के लिए, शोज़ के लिए, हर एनिमल के अपने एथिकल राइट्स हैं और उनको कंजर्व करना चाहिए. Then there are also religious concerns that the God has made this world, and God has put everything in a natural order. So through biotechnology, or especially through animal biotechnology, the system can get disturbed, the genes can be transferred from one species to another. So number of religious concerns are associated with the animal biotechnology, जैसे कि mule बनाया जाता है donkey और horse की mating के साथ. Number of ethical issues arises to move, that whether they have scientists are putting the rights of mule in a proper way, whether their social acceptance is there. So we have to take care of not only about the food of the animals, but we also look at their emotional and behavioral issues.